Ever dreamed of turning your fascination with artificial intelligence into a gold mine? Picture yourself making $10,000 a month, effortlessly riding the wave of AI innovation. But here's the kicker. Age is just a number in this game. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a tech-savvy newbie, we have got the insider scoop on 3 mind-blowing ways to cash in on AI, guaranteed to keep you hooked from start to finish. Get ready to crack the code to financial freedom with our electrifying guide. Are you ready to unleash the power of artificial intelligence and pocket that $10,000 a month? Let's dive in. Freelance AI. Freelancing in AI involves leveraging your expertise in artificial intelligence to work on various projects for clients. These projects can range from developing machine learning models to analyzing datasets or implementing natural language processing algorithms. Begin by acquiring essential skills in AI development, such as programming languages like Python and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Familiarize yourself with different machine learning algorithms, data pre-processing techniques, and model evaluation methods. Assemble a portfolio showcasing your AI projects and achievements. Include detailed descriptions of the projects you have worked on, the challenges you have addressed, and the outcomes you have achieved. A strong portfolio will help you demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Register on popular freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills, experiences, and portfolio. These platforms serve as marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients seeking AI expertise. Browse through job listings related to AI and machine learning projects. Submit tailored proposals for projects that match your skills and interests. Clearly articulate how your expertise aligns with the client's requirements and how you can add value. Once you secure a project, ensure timely delivery of high-quality work. Communicate effectively with the client to understand their objectives, provide regular updates on the project progress, and incorporate their feedback into your work. Foster positive relationships with your clients by delivering exceptional results and providing excellent customer service. Satisfied clients are more likely to offer repeat business and refer you to others in their network. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI technologies and methodologies. Continuously invest in learning new tools, techniques, and best practices to enhance your expertise and remain competitive in the freelance market. AI blogging or vlogging. Creating content through blogging or vlogging allows you to share your knowledge and insights on artificial intelligence with a wider audience. This could include tutorials, news updates, case studies, or industry analysis related to artificial intelligence. Determine the specific focus of your AI content based on your interests, expertise, and target audience. Whether it's beginner-friendly tutorial, in-depth technical discussions, or industry-specific insights, defining your niche will help you attract a local audience. Choose a platform for sharing your content, such as a blog using WordPress or a YouTube channel. Customize your platform to reflect your brand and optimize it for search engines to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Develop high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could include written tutorials, video explanations, interviews with industry experts, or analysis of recent AI developments. Tailor your content to address the needs and interests of your target audience. Explore various monetization methods such as display advertising through platforms like Google AdSense, sponsored content from companies in the AI space, affiliate marketing by promoting AI-related products or selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Promote your content through social media forums and online communities frequented by AI enthusiasts. Engage with your audiences by responding to comments, participating in discussions, or addressing their questions and concerns. Experiment with different monetization strategies and tag their performance to identify that works for best audience. Continuously optimize your revenue streams to maximize earnings while maintaining a positive user experience. AI product development. Creating and selling AI-powered products or applications involves developing software solutions that leverage artificial intelligence technologies to solve specific problems or meet particular needs. Begin by identifying a problem or pain point that can be addressed using AI technology. Conduct market research to understand customer needs, competitor offerings, and market trends. Validate your product idea by seeking feedback from potential users or industry experts. Once you have identified a viable product idea, start developing your artificial intelligence solutions. This could involve building machine learning products, integrating AI algorithms into existing software, or developing standalone. Focus on creating a minimum viable product that addresses the core problem efficiently. Conduct thorough testing of your AI product to ensure functionality, performance, and usability. Gather feedback from early users and iterate on your product based on their suggestions and insights. Continuous testing and refinement are essential to creating a successful AI product. Determine the pricing model for your AI product, whether it's a one-time purchase, subscription-based, or usage-based pricing. Consider offering free trials of freemium versions to attract users and drive adoption. Experiment with different pricing strategies to find the optimal balance between revenue generation and user acquisition. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your artificial intelligence product to target audience. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising to reach potential customers. Build a compelling value proposition and highlight the unique benefits from your AI solutions to differentiate it from competitors. So there you have it, fellow hustlers. Feeling inspired yet? Don't let the excitement fade just yet. With these 3 game-changing strategies at your fingertips, there is no limit to what you can achieve in the AI arena. Whether you are freelancing your way to the top, captivating audiences with your AI expertise, or revolutionizing industries with your cutting-edge products, the sky is the limit. Get out there and make your mark in the world of AI entrepreneurship. Remember, your future is waiting. Go claim it.